Have you ever dreamt of exploring a destination that seamlessly blends scenic beauty, outdoor adventures, and cultural experiences? Welcome to Vernon, British Columbia, a charming city nestled in the picturesque Okanagan Valley. Let's uncover the array of activities that make Vernon a must-visit destination. Begin your journey by delving into the cultural heritage of Vernon at the Greater Vernon Museum and Archives. Explore exhibits showcasing the region's history, from indigenous cultures to the fur trade and the development of the city. It's a fascinating glimpse into Vernon's past and the stories that have shaped its identity. Outdoor enthusiasts will find paradise in Kalamalka Lake Provincial Park. Hike or bike along the trails that wind through this natural marvel, offering stunning views of Kalamalka Lake's turquoise waters. The park is a haven for water activities such as kayaking, paddleboarding, and swimming in the pristine waters. Marvel at the beauty of nature's artistry at the Allen Brooks Nature Center. Discover the diverse flora and fauna of the Okanagan region while enjoying captivating exhibits and interactive displays. The center also offers educational programs and guided nature walks, perfect for nature enthusiasts of all ages. For a taste of agritourism, embark on a tour of the local wineries and vineyards that dot the landscape surrounding Vernon. Indulge in wine tastings, soak in the breathtaking vineyard views, and learn about the winemaking process while sampling some of the region's finest wines. Visit Davison Orchard's Country Village for a delightful farm experience. Explore the orchards, pick your own fruits, and savor freshly baked goods at the bakery. The farm offers a range of activities, including tractor tours, a petting zoo, and a playground, making it a perfect outing for families. Experience the adrenaline rush at Silver Star Mountain Resort. In the winter, enjoy world-class skiing and snowboarding on powdery slopes. In the summer, the mountain transforms into a mountain biking haven, offering an extensive trail network for all skill levels. Take a leisurely stroll through Polson Park, a serene oasis in the heart of Vernon. Admire the vibrant floral displays, relax by the ponds, and explore the walking trails. The park's peaceful ambiance makes it an ideal spot for picnics and unwinding amidst nature. Immerse yourself in the local arts scene by visiting the Vernon Public Art Gallery. Explore thought-provoking exhibitions featuring works by regional and national artists. The gallery hosts various events, workshops, and artist talks that provide insights into the creative process. For a refreshing dip, head to Kin Beach Provincial Park on the shores of Okanagan Lake. Enjoy swimming, sunbathing, or picnicking against the backdrop of the stunning lake views and surrounding mountains. Indulge your taste buds in Vernon's diverse culinary offerings. From farm-to-table eateries to charming cafes, relish delicious meals crafted from locally sourced ingredients. The town's gastronomic scene showcases the bounty of the region's agriculture and culinary expertise. Vernon's blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and recreational opportunities creates an inviting destination for all types of travelers. Whether you're exploring its history, immersing yourself in nature, or indulging in culinary delights, Vernon promises an enriching experience that captivates the heart and soul.